Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll guide you through all the process of installing and setting up a Ghost blog on AWS Lightsail, a simple and cost-effective way to host your blog. Let's begin by discussing the prerequisites for installation. Firstly, you'll require a AWS Lightsail account, and you can also get this with the AWS free tier. And we'll be building on this. We'll be also referencing a few documentations and GitHub repositories. And along with that, I'll have a blog in the description which I have written. Here's the final output at the end of this video tutorial, and that is a completely running blog website at our IP address. Now you could use your domain name, but in this case, I'm just using IP address. And this is the different blog posts. You could view the different blogs, sign in, search for different blogs, and this is where you can post for new blogs, add members to your organization, etc. There's so many things you can do. This is the final output of our today's video. Stay tuned for the entire video and get started. Now it's time to create an AWS Lightsail instance. We'll walk you through the process of selecting your server specific, launching your instance, and configuring your AWS instance. Let's go to services and the Lightsail section. Um, and here I would like to deploy an instance. I select they have the option for Ghost packaged by Bitmap, but here we will be installing it raw. So we'll go to OS only and we'll select Ubuntu in our case. I'll be using the web client, and yeah, in this I'll go with the first three file. This name as Ghost uh, test. Click. That's it. Now you'll need to wait about 1 to 2 minutes for this instance provision, and then we'll get back. Okay, so now we got our instance provisioned, about 2 minutes of waiting. Now it's time to set up Ghost on it. We'll also be installing necessary packages like Nginx, MySQL, and Node.js, and ensure our server is ready for Ghost. So in this case, I will be using the web terminal, and I will be referencing the official Ghost documentation for Ubuntu. And this is for production. As you can see, the minimum requirements currently at the time of recording are these, and they say to create new users. Let's just do that. Test. I'll create the new. Let me set up a test. Else. The next step is to grant sudo access privileges to our user. So do that. Next step is to switch to that user. Let's just do that. And after which, let's just update the packages. Okay, I might need to go back to let it just install itself quickly. pages. Once again enter, once again. And then let me clear my screen. The next step after upgrading our packages called Nginx. Quickly copy the command and enter. And next command is to allow Nginx. Let me just install MySQL. Again enter. And we have installed Nginx and MySQL on our system. It's time to install Node.js, for which I'm here. The Node source repository. Uh, Let me install this. We already installed, so let's just go. And then the next step. I will be using Node version 18 in my case, so I will set the variable to that. Time to get the Debian repository, update packages and install. As you can see, it should be showing get at tab.node. Then once you have that set, then you can do once again enter, then node version and pim version. I hope this matches the same with you all. This might change over the time. For now, this is that way. Once you have installed Node.js, the next step is to set up the Ghost-CLI. In this case, before we do that, there's one step to be done, and that is to set up the MySQL database with a password. For that, I will still stay as the root user and Now it will ask me for a password, but I'll just press enter and this logs me in. Then I will paste in this command. Here it says by strong password 123 that you want to replace with your password and press enter. Once you've done that, you can exit MySQL and switch your database the other way. To the other way. You've done that. Now you would want to install the Ghost-CLI. Once you have installed the Ghost CLI package, now you would want to create a new directory with the site name, whatever you want to give. In this case, I'm just leaving it as it is, and then you would want to grant access to its test. So paste it, then edit in both the places user test. You're done with that. Pass the correct permission, right access, and navigate to that port. Done with that. And that's a final step, and that is go install. This will just download and install real quickly up for us. Now it asks us for our blog URL. In this case, we will be hosting this on our IP address. You can enter your domain name or just enter our blog URL // our MySQL database we'll be using local. We'll just do enter. Username as root. Password is the one we previously set. Okay, it is strong password into 3. It will ask for a site name, so I'll just keep it as site name or my blog. Yes, again yes, lastly again yes. I want to yes, I do want. Okay, it has successfully started. So now we can go by access IP address. Okay. It will give us a Go terminal. So my LIPV site name is my blog. and I will enter my name over here with my email and my password. Then write to our ghost admin to dark theme, and there you go. That is our ghost. Now I can visit it here, and this is our blog website. You can search across the various blog, right? We just have one blog published over here. We have all our features. We have all the different sign in with the user. You can publish more blogs over here, and there's so many things. Finally, this video tutorial after you have set up your AWS blog. Now what you want to do is customize it with your AWS setting. Basically your SEO, social media stuff. Then you can set up analytics, anything you want to announce, different navigation, customize design and branding to different features. There's so many things you can connect to integrations like here Slack. You can integrate analytics with custom code, the head or the foot section, and obviously you can explore the public roasted blog. And now if you do want to start a new post, new blog post, all you have to do is go here, that's it. Then you want to head here and the new file. Now it's accessible over here. Has no, but if I do type hello test and update it, we'll see it's updated over. That's it for this video tutorial. Hope you like this one. Thank you for watching, and if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave up any questions or comment below, and happy blogging.